Okay, for the last tutorial this week, just a couple uh, simple things about working with the font tool and playing around with spacing and creating, what is essentially like a clipping mask. Um, Illustrator does call it a clipping mask, but it's also phrased differently in the layers panel when you're looking at it. So I'm going to grab my type tool. I already have it selected, and I'm going to look at my character panel over here on the right, and I'm going to go ahead and right now I'm on that font that I loaded last time, but I'm going to go ahead and find Futura. So yeah, my computer finally unfroze, and you can see that yeah, Zengtang is on the bottom because it's alphabetical. Okay, so I'm going to go up F and Futura. There we go. Okay, so I said to use a Futura bold for this assignment, and there it is. Okay, and Futura, I already showed you. It's on the Creative Cloud, and you can get it. It's nice fun. All right, so I'm going to start real simple. Let me think for my examples. I will do in and out. Okay. Right now I'm set to a 12 point font. I'm going to go ahead and bring that up. So let's look at that first. 72 is the max. Okay, but it's not. You can put in anything you want. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and put in 130. Come on. All right, so I just got to click out of there. And now I'm going to write, oh, that's huge. Um, Out. All right. So now just to position that if I want, okay, I grab my move tool. All right. Also with the move tool, the selection tool, whatever you want to call it, I can hover around it. Okay, so I want to do something like that. I can also scale it up by pulling from the corner, but you want to be careful because you can squish the font. All right, you don't want to do that. You don't want to make it look yucky. Okay, so you want to keep it proportional. I'm going to hold down Shift, just like how Photoshop used to be. Okay, and that will bring in, um, keep it proportional.